Hi, welcome. I'm here again with a tutorial on how to make this pattern. After I post a video on how I make this sandal, so some of my subscribers request on the pattern making process. That's why I'm making this video for them. Thank you, and don't forget that I learned this work by just watching of videos and doing my practical. So you might see I don't used to tell you the calculation on how to get this and that. This is just how I learn, but in the future I will learn those formulas, then I will apply it to my videos again, just for the sake of you people. Thank you. Just stay tuned towards the process. So I'm starting with this pattern. This is the last I'm going to do pattern on it. I have my masking tape, so I'm going to tape it. I have to tape this all over because the sandal has some kind of different angle. The side is different, the right side is different with the left side, so I have to tape this last all over. After I finish taping my last, so I'm now going to sketch this design based on the picture I'm looking here. This is my toe side. Then I'm going to align this side, this side. This will be the extension that will enter here. I think I can say by this I have my sandal pattern. Very easy to do. And this the previous pattern on the video. If you can see, they look similar. They mustn't be exactly, but they look similar. You see this side, and this one is bigger size, this one is smaller size. So if you take this one back, so now let's transfer this to paper, to cardboard. Let's do the transfer. I'm going to cut this place. This is my joint, so I already know where my buckle will be. There is a point. Later on I will do how to have this. This is my paper, so I'm going to remove it from the last. Once you have passion on everything, you can achieve what you want. So I'm going to cut it out. Because it's buckled strap, so I'm going to increase this. So you see how it should be. So what remains is to gauge the buckled strap. Very simple. You can do the first one. It's not going to be exactly like mine. Don't give up. Redo it again and do it again till you get it. So this is all for the pattern making. This is the previous one. AL-QASIM. This is the joints. If I work with any one of this pattern, it will be well presented. So I just do this practical based on for you to see and for those that ask me how I make the pattern and they want to see how I make it. So this is what I can do for you. Thank you. I hope you like the video and I hope you enjoy. Thank you. Bye.